In this screencast, I would like to demonstrate how an agency would be using ePay Northwest Indiana for capturing at-the-counter transactions in their office. I will start by logging into the secure area of the website. Once you log in, there will be several features available to you as a provider under ePay NWI, and those features are located under the control panel. And I would like to quickly go through each one of them. The provider information allows you to manage information about you as the provider, and also it'll allow you to change what information is displayed on the landing page. There is a built-in editor which is easy to use and pretty powerful, that allows you to format the landing page and put any information that you want to convey to your customers. Also, you can set link to your website and any business hours, contact email, anything that you want the residents or the customers to see on your landing page. The other options gives you access to all the subscribers which are currently enrolled in any particular subscription offered by your agency. In this case, I will select everybody who's subscribed to the utility bill payment. As you can see, there are 2 people. The next option allows to perform transaction exports. At any point of time, you can go in and display all the transactions that took place within certain date range. In this case, I want to see all the transactions that were generated from the beginning of the month. You can also download these to Excel spreadsheet. And by the way, this type of information is automatically emailed to you every day, so you will get an email of all the transactions that took place on the prior day. The next option is to access the Link2Go virtual terminals. We actually have 2 links here, one for the test environment, the other one is for production environment. I will go into it a little later. First, I wanted to show you the remaining function, which is the walk-in transactions. There are 3 types of walk-in transactions that we've set up for this demo, and these types of transactions are paying for the utility bill, EMS bills, and traffic ticket payments. Each type of transactions can be set up to require different types of information, and also you can put some helpful information for specific transactions. For example, you could allow people to locate certain reference numbers, like for example here the citation number that you would ask the resident to specify when paying for a specific traffic ticket. What I wanted to do is I wanted to quickly run through taking a walk-in transaction for a utility bill payment. A lot of the values are defaulting for you for quick data entry. We'll assume that most of your paying customers will have the Schererville address. You can always overtype that. Once transactions is in the shopping cart, you can now proceed to checkout. Enter email address if customer has one. If they provide you with email address, they will receive an email confirmation of this transaction. Now we can select credit card type, click next, And now we are ready to process the order. And this is all there is to it. Confirmation email would be sent to this particular email address, and you can also display a printable receipt and print that receipt So the receipt is in PDF format, and you can print one for the customer, print one for yourself, and this is all there is to taking and walk-in transactions. The last thing that I want to show you is that you can actually go to the Link2Go virtual terminal, sign in with your username and password, and you can run reports which are real-time for any transactions that took place, and this should already be familiar to the active NWI users. So if I wanted to see all the transactions that took place today, this is what the report would show us. This is the last transactions that we just submitted, and I will show you the details. So all the details for the transactions are available, including the service address, the account number, and whether the transactions were successful or not. And this would be it for this demo.